right, hey you, welcome back. It is collab time with my girls that I just love so much. I'm trying to remember, I think this is going on 3 years that we've been doing collaborations every month, and I almost missed this one, but I decided to press on through because I do not want to miss a collab. I've gone this long, I can push myself a little bit further. Anyway, I will have all their information down below where you can check them out. And this month's theme is birthstone. So we are creating looks based on our month's birthstone. My birthday is September the 24th and my birthstone is sapphire. So here you go. We have blue. If you would like to see how I created this look, definitely stay tuned.
I'm down if you're down. Let's ride out right now. We'll go where there ain't no crowds. Somewhere underneath the clouds. I'm down if you're down.
So we are going to go ahead and get started. All right. I'm getting some breakouts that I'm not really happy about because I'm having to wear a mask again, and this one just popped up today. I'm going to touch up my concealer a little bit just to get an overall flawless look. There's a little bit, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I can tell. There's a little bit of my concealer rubbed off from my mask, so I'm going to touch that up. All right, so anyway, I'm going to touch that up just a little bit. On my cheeks. And then we're going to go ahead and get into the eye look. Okay, we're just going to blend that in, and you can kind of see there how that, you know, it got rubbed off. I love this concealer. Who knows my favorite concealer? Who can be the first one to answer? I say it so often because it's really the only one I use right now. And I'm going to just touch up with my blush brush just to blend both of those together. I'm so, you know what, I'm gonna treat my skin tonight after I do my makeup, just because again I'm having to wear a mask at work. I have a new job, so it's a requirement that everyone wears a mask. So I'm just going to go in with some of my blush to get that transition from highlight to contour. That's cool. And I'm gonna do a little bit of highlight. I'm still a highlight girl. I'm using my Milani Salt and Pepper palette, and this is actually an eyeshadow I'm gonna use for right there. This one I'm going to use for a highlighter. Oh my gosh, I just want to connect the dots. Ugh. I hate when I have breakouts. I have been eating more sweets than what I should. So it's probably a combination. But what I'm going to do tonight is just give myself a really good, I don't know if I want to say facial, but just a really good cleansing. And then I'm going to use I know I have one upstairs for sure, but it's the Maybe I'll put a picture of it up here. That's from my makeup. I'm gonna do my Estee Lauder Intense Reset. It's really good for your skin, like when your skin is like really stressed out. It just calms it down and help with the stress levels in your skin. And for me, sometimes when I have breakouts, it helps with my breakouts as well. That way they won't last as long. So I'm going to do that tonight. But yeah, I'm just getting home from work, so I'm gonna take these off. And as you guys know, it's collaboration time with my girls, and we have been summoned by the beautiful Miss Lori from It's Lori's Life. I will have her information as well as the other girls' information down below. Again, we have been summoned to create a look based around our birthstones. And actually, my birthday is coming up really soon. My birthday is September the 24th. I don't know if you guys remember, but last year I did gift myself my online boutique. I'll actually link that video up here so you guys can watch that. But I have tons of beautiful items on my website. If you guys would like to check that out, I will leave that link below. And then also, if you would like to send me birthday well wishes, like a birthday card or anything like that, I'm going to do something this year. I'm going to put my address down below if you guys would like to send me like a birthday card. That would be really nice for my birthday celebration here on YouTube. Or even maybe I will go live either on TikTok or maybe Instagram. That would be live. Just that would be really nice to just read the birthday cards. That would be really nice. That's a really great idea. So I'm gonna roll with that. But I'm going to create my birthstone, which my birthstone is sapphire. So I need to find a gorgeous blue. There is a blue in here, and I think I'll use this one. Oh, look at that blue. It's so beautiful on camera. So I'm going to use that one. So first we need a little bit of eyeshadow base, and I'm going to use my Marc Wile eyeshadow base. The color is medium. This is a really good base. I really like it. More on the thicker side, but a little bit goes a long way. And I more so just want that in my crease because I'm actually going to use a dark color for my lid and underneath the blue. So that is that. Get some on this side. I just pretty much want that in my crease. All right, and let's just roll with this. Roll with this Dream Cosmetics. All right, no names on these, but I'm going to go in with this color here. We're just gonna put that in our crease, but I'm gonna angle that up. I'm gonna angle that up. I haven't done any color in a while, so I'm kind of excited to do my birthstone. Okay, again, we're angling that up. Same on this side. All right, I'm going to go back into my, actually I'm going to stick with Dream Cosmetics, and I'm going to go in with Silent Killer. I'm going to go in with this one here and maybe a little bit of that one. We shall see how dark this is. This one is. Okay, that's pretty. All right, and then I think I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this one here, just on the edge. That's pretty like that. All right, I haven't did eyeshadow in a long time, but I'm going to, a lot of times when I do the shimmery colors, and I have said this before, I like to do a black base underneath that just really gives it a pop, in my opinion. So that's what we're going to do. Looking for a black base. And then we're just going to do that one by one because we're using a liquid liner. All right, so we're going to just do one at a time because it is an eyeliner and it does dry pretty quick. So blend that out really quick. Go ahead and get this blue on here. That is a pretty blue. Hopefully we don't get any fallout. Woo, so pretty. Go back in with that, blend the edges out. I'm gonna go back in with that dark navy. And just so it's a little bit, get it blended there on the edge. Okay, go back in with my blue. Don't know if I want to do blue down below, but I'm just gonna go for it with that base underneath. Base under there, and then just blend that out. All right, let's get some mascara. For mascara, I'm using my Beyond Mascara Treatment by Beyond Beauty. I do have a discount code for them down below. Check the description bar. They have tons of great skincare. Okay, I'm using my Double Wear Waterproof Mechanical Liner. Guys, remember too, I'm not sure at what step you put your liner on, but I kind of do mine like it's one of my last steps, where definitely, you know, after my foundation and everything is already done. Some people do their eyes first, but just remember to like use like a beauty sponge, some kind of beauty sponge to pull your eye down. That way you don't get the oils from your hands or fingers on your makeup. All right, and for lashes today, I'm using my Mind Slicker Lash from my lash line on my website. Mind Slicker. I love all lashes, but I really love like a separated lash. Okay. Oh, it just does something. I love it. And my favorite glue, lash adhesive that I've been using for years. I like to run that glue at the bottom of, well, on my lash line. I like to run that and let it get tacky a little bit, and then when you put the two together, it acts as a magnet. So let both of those dry a little bit and place it on there for a little bit. I just love the way this lash sits. It's like perfect. All right, so I'm going to do my hair and then come back and show you guys what lip color I use. All right, so I am back. I went ahead and put on a nude lip, of course, since we have color on our eyes. That is my go-to. Not very often will I do a dark eye or colorful eye and colorful lip. I will, just not very often. My go-to is my nude, and I put on my fake gauges, my white spiral white gauges. These definitely are available on my website. You guys know, if you follow me, I am a lover of faux gauges, and I have so many styles, but this is the one I'm rocking today. Kind of want to put some glitz on my eye. Let's see what we can find. This is Galaxy Balm by Viori Beauty. I'm just gonna put a little bit of that. It's called a liquid eyeshadow. Let's see. They bumped it up a notch, right? It took it up. That took it up a lot. Anyways, just something fun. So that is my look, and I thank you guys for joining me. Again, if you would like to send me well wishes or even a birthday card that I can read on my live, again, my birthday is September 24th. So if you would like to participate in that, I have my address down below where you can send that. And so that is it for this video. So definitely remember to check out the girls. Make sure you show them some love. Let them know that I sent you. If you do go over there, drop some blue hearts in their comments again and let them know I sent you. So that is it for this video. So if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram at LRHMakeup. Also, LRHMakeup on TikTok. And also _beauty over 40 over on TikTok. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Turn on post notifications. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content. All right, guys, until next time, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.